What's up, everybody? You are live with Johnathan Maness, aka the One-Leg Bandit, and I am here tonight to talk to you about these cryptocurrencies that everybody's talking about. They're either going way up and making people a lot of money, or they're dropping like crazy, like the last few days. But the main reason why I'm doing another video in this week is because right now is absolute buy time on SHIB. All right. All the markets are down. There's a lot of really good buying opportunities all the way from Bitcoin all the way down to SHIB. And again, I got to start this. I am not a financial advisor. I am, just a everyday trader, but I'm having fun with this. I'm doing good with this. Again, I learned this from my kids. A lot of times you learn a lot from your kids, but, we started talking about this back when Bitcoin started. And I tell you, I've been able to learn a lot of lessons and watch a lot of people make a lot of really good money with this. And I feel the need to share this because this is flying under the radar. And there's just there's some people that know about it that are in and really good and waiting for the huge run here. But there's some people that don't even know about it. So I'm here today and I'm going to go on and kind of share my screen and show some things with you right now. So let me pull this up real quick. So let's take a look at this. So this is Shiba, okay? Right now, it's got 4 zeros, 1013. And this is just an absolute beautiful buying opportunity. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here with the chart, okay? Just a month ago, May the 7th right here, people that were invested with like $20 shot up, this move up here made them millionaires. Okay. This one kid, $17, turned it into millions. And there's a lot of millionaires been made on this move right here because of the price where it is. It's kind of like buying Dogecoin at day one or buying Bitcoin at day one about 12 years ago. Okay. That's what this is like. Now, the reason why I'm alerting everyone and letting you know about what's going on here is the overall dollar volume that is involved in this. Today, in 24 hours, $2.4 billion is traded in this cryptocurrency alone. This is a huge amount of dollars and a huge amount of just overall interest into something that not a lot of people know about. So basically, these whales are buying up this price right now. They're buying all these shares. So when everybody does catch on, by like streams like I'm doing right now, and by just word of mouth. It's a ton of things on the internet right now coming out about this, but you are ahead of the game. And there was even, over the last week or two, you can see the price has moved down, but it has found support right here at 10. And that's why I'm letting everyone that I know understand that this is a great buying opportunity. In my opinion, this is the time to jump in here. I mean, you can double or triple your money with one move, and I'm thinking the next move is easily going to take you up to probably, let's look here at the 3-month range. I think the next move will probably move us up into the 70s or the 80s with the next power move that's coming in. The next time we get a spike of volume like this. So in other words, when some big news comes out about Shiba, and there's just so many things working on this in the background that people don't know. One thing, this is the number 34 cryptocurrency in the world right now. All right. So it's the number 34 already, and the word hasn't even gotten out yet. The trading volume is huge. Market cap, you can see all this is listed right here. So definitely check this out at coinmarketcap.com. If anybody wants to check this out. Another thing, let's take a quick peek here at Doge. Okay. Doge, another excellent buying opportunity. Look at this 1-month chart. So we spiked up, all the way up here to 71 cents, kind of a sell-off. Then some news popped us back up, went all the way down to 28 cents. Look at this trend line that we're moving on right now. We're already from 28 cents to 40 cents. The next power move, when Bitcoin moves up, this is going to move back up in the 50s or 60s, and they're going to end up chasing down that dollar that everyone's looking for. I'm just talking technical here, so I'm sharing what I see technically, and I really wanted everybody that I know to at least have a chance to get in and try to make some money. All right, let me get back here. So if anybody wants to chat about this, let's talk about it here. Let's go here. Pop some chats up here. So Casey said had over 1 trillion SHIB and sold most of it too soon. I mean, I don't know how he sold too soon. I mean, you saw the chart there. I hate it. I hate that for you, man. I hope you made some good money on it because that was a crazy move over the last few months. Let's see here. Want to become famous by followers and viewers on whatever. Okay, people are spamming me now, but it's all good. So just a little spam there, but Casey's not spamming. He's the real deal, and he had a lot of SHIB, and all the people that's going to watch this, everybody knows what I do with Maness Veteran Medical. We grind hard every day. We're working hard. We bring the highest quality products to the VA and to the DoD, but there's certain times in life when opportunities come across, and you just got to jump on them. And I definitely wanted to share these opportunities with you. I'm going to go ahead and stop the share here. So hopefully my computer will catch up. But if anybody wants to chat about this or go back and forth, let's just conversate about this tonight, because my key tonight is to get the word out, get some people's thoughts on this. Let's see here. So Jack says, but they're not there. I don't know what you're saying there. If you would please elaborate a little bit more about what you're saying, and we can go over that. But the key is, a lot of people waste a lot of money. Okay, you go and you spend it on whatever you might spend it on. It could be a trip to the beach. It could be whatever. This is something that only comes across every once in a while when you start seeing those kinds of dollars that are involved in something and the word hasn't quite gotten out yet. Now, the word's out there. If you're looking for it, you might have heard of SHIB. You might have already bought a few shares, but this is something that $500 or $1,000 can take you to a whole nother stratosphere when the news gets out about what they're going to do here. I do challenge everybody, go to check out SHIBAINU, go to the official website and look at all the cool things that they're doing. It is based off of Ethereum, and they're going to have different ways that they're going to trade and different ways to swap things out. To be honest with you, I don't know all the intricacies of it. All I know is I know how to read charts. I know numbers and dollars. And when you start getting this type of interest, it really piques my interest, and I just see a huge buying opportunity here. I don't think we're going to go down much more below the 1-0 level. I mean, that's good base support right there. It's already bounced off of it 2 or 3 times, and the next move up the next few days is going to be a strong one. So if anybody is watching this tonight and has not bought it, there's a couple good ways to get it, a couple different wallets to do it. I like Crypto.com just because, I'm not an intricate trader. I'm not trying to switch over these different types of coins to buy SHIB. I want to let you know, if you go to Crypto.com, you can either use my link, or I don't really care. I'm not in this about trying to get people to join my links. It doesn't matter to me. I just want to let you know that I've done this, and I find this very easy. Go to Crypto.com. You have to set up an account. You take a picture of your ID, set up your account, and boom, you can deposit in literally it takes about 20 minutes. I think it takes about 20 minutes for them to verify you. They got really busy the other night. It took about 40 minutes, I think, for some people. But it takes about 20 minutes. Your account gets verified, and then you can buy SHIB. Now, the cool thing about Crypto.com, for the next 30 days, there's 0 fees whatsoever. So you can go in there and buy or sell. They don't charge any fees at all. I mean, it's really a good deal. And I don't think you're going to get in and out of this in 30 days. I don't think it's going to be a 30-day pop unless you're putting a lot into it and trying to just double it. I see that as a no-brainer if you're trying to double up. But if you're trying to make it to a whole nother stratosphere and do like a Doge run or do like a Bitcoin run, you might have to hold this for probably 6 months or a year. But you're going to see a steady grind because there's so many brilliant people behind this, pushing this, and it's just it's fun to watch, and it's been a really good thing to do to kind of break up my mind and just I'm sharing this at 10 p.m. at night because it's not my normal job. Okay, I'm able to chill now and talk to my LinkedIn family. LinkedIn has been a blessing for me. Been able to grow my business exponentially. Been able to get great advice from my folks on LinkedIn, and I feel like giving back. I mean, I really see this. And look, in all fairness, everybody knows I could be 110% wrong. You could lose all of the $500 or all of the $100 that you put in this thing. I'm telling you flat out. But the potential and what people have already done with this one little move is just absolutely crazy. I mean, look at Casey. Casey back in the day, to have over $1 trillion SHIB and sold most of it too soon. I mean, there's no telling how much you made. Casey, if you're still watching this, throw up, how rough numbers, how you did, let people know the crazy amounts of money that can be made here. So right now, if you bought in the 0.0010 level, you're looking at buying, say you spend $1,000, that's 100 million shares. Okay. If it hits 1 cent, you make $1 million. All right. It's just that simple. It's simple math at the price that it is right now. So, you know, $1,000 will get you 100 million shares. And then if it hits 1 cent, you are a millionaire. And, you know, I'm not saying go all in like that, you know, maybe even do a tenth of that, but, you know, 100 G's, if it hits 1 cent, it's worth the shot. So that's all I really wanted to get off my chest tonight. I felt like it was such a great buying opportunity that I had to come on here. And let's look at a couple of other things. I'm going to do another share screen here. And I want to look at Bitcoin. So let me hop in here. Let's go to, let's see if I can get to Bitcoin here. See, I'm in the wrong thing here. Let's go here. Cryptocurrencies. Here we go. So Bitcoin right here already bounced back to $41,000. Now let's look at this chart together. Okay. Sorry for lagging. So here we go. So let's look at the 1 month. So Bitcoin is up to $60,000, dropped out all the way down to 35,000. And right now we're sitting at 41,000. But I want to let everyone know here, this point right here, this V, this is what you're looking for. When this V happens, that is a reversal, okay? If Bitcoin gets back up about 47,000 and holds there for like one green candle, so I'd say like a 6 to 12 hour trading pattern, if it gets that, then your bull market's going to start and it's going to run and it's going to get back up to the, you know, 50. I don't know if it'll cap all the way back out at 60. I don't know if it'll take it even higher, but I know this, that if you bought in high, don't worry. I think if it gets above 47,000 here, with this reversal signal here and this volume that's coming in, I think that we're going to be able to go on and get on a major run. So Bitcoin is looking bullish, and everything is looking bullish right now. It all flipped back around. So everybody thought the world was ending, but it's not ending. It's only coming back. Look, Ether's back up to 22, Tether, Cardano, it's still down. I mean, these are excellent buying opportunities. Bitcoin at 40, you shave 10 cents off of it where it was, you know, a week ago. So you're good there. I mean, it's just so many. I love Stellar. I mean, look at that, 16.56 up today. But let's look at Stellar, XLM. Let's check this out. Look at these. Look at this play. I mean, let's go to a 7-day, just so you can look at what you can get into. We was up at 76 cents, dropped all the way down to 32 cents, and now it's on the rise again. And we're going to get a good push out of Stellar. I mean, it's just the way it trades. I think you'll do really well with Stellar. And one of my favorites here, another one that I really like, is TRX. And you want to talk about a deal? Look at this. It's down to 9 cents right now. This is my home run play. Like, I'm going to continue to add this because I love this coin. I love what it stands for. But definitely look at this. This is an excellent buying opportunity. It hasn't started to really boost yet. You're at 9 cents. I think you could easily double your money, or, you know, definitely make a good percentage on your money here. I think we'll get back up to about 14 cents, no problem. So these are just my guess and my assumptions on this. So let me get back over here and remove this. All right. So anybody else on the chat want to conversate? It's all good. I appreciate everybody being here. Anybody that wants to take a look at this, you know, look at shibcrypto.com and make sure that you check out crypto.com. And also, I like eToro. They're just different trading platforms. They have good ways to set your highs and set your lows and get in and out. So they don't charge any fees, but they do charge like a margin on eToro. So you might, if the price is really at, say, 48 cents, you might pay 49 cents. So you might lose a cent or something on the purchase there. But as far as those other minuscule fees or whatever they don't charge them. So just a couple different things to go out there. Again, I'm no superstar trader. That's why I want you to hear me on this, okay? But I am very good at reading charts, and I'm very good at seeing where following the money. It's what I've always done. I've reverse engineered different federal contracts. I've tracked down how to win, how to go through this. So that's how I've become successful at my job. And I'm telling you, by breaking this down backwards, there's too much money in this to not take a look at it. So everyone, I appreciate your time tonight. Just a short stream. If anybody wants to reach out to me, you can email me at the1legbandit@manessveteranmedical.com or call me at 727-452-5452. I'd love to talk about it. But either way, good luck to everybody. I will follow back up in, say, 2 weeks and let y'all know how SHIB is doing. And I hope everybody joins in. And if you need a link to buy it, it's below this video chat. So thank you, everybody, for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful night.